Hi, you guys. I'm going to show you how to create a banner for your YouTube channel. Now, the banner is the first thing that people when they visit your YouTube channel. So it's that picture at the top of the channel, and I'll show it to you in my computer. You can do this in Canva. There are Canva templates that you can use, and these templates make it super easy because the sizing is right, and you won't have any cutoffs or anything like that. You can also edit these templates. So let's go over to my computer and we'll get into it right now. This right here would be my banner image. Okay, and I'm going to show you right now how to create this image or your banner image, something that represents your channel using Canva. And you can do this for free, and I'll show you that right now. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account or create a Canva account. It's free to do so. When you log in, the first thing you're going to see is this dashboard. Okay, and on this line, you can choose the documents, and documents is really also the size. You can use document and size interchangeably, right? The document is the size of the design that you want to create. And you can choose it on this line here. You can see YouTube videos, YouTube thumbnails, etc. If you don't see what you're looking for, you can click on more. It will bring up a whole bunch of other options for you. Okay, you can scroll down and you can see. You can also type in what you're looking for in the search bar here, or you can click on create a design, and then it'll bring up this window for you. So I'm going to type in YouTube banner. Okay, and you click on it. The dimensions are perfect for your YouTube banner. You guys, you don't have to worry about sizing it and will it fit, will it not fit. And here on the left, you have a bunch of templates that you can choose from. Okay, you can also type in, say you have an education channel, you can type in education banner. Okay, and you can see you have a bunch of them. If you don't have a paid account, you guys, you would have to use one of the templates that does not have a crown on it. Wherever you see the crown, that means pro, that means it's for a paid account. Okay, but there are a number of them available, a number of templates available that are free. So let's see. Should we use this one? Let's try this one. Okay, and this is lifestyle and motivation, and you can change all of this information. So let's say, what should we change it to? YouTube motivation, we could leave. Olivia Wilson, we can change this to education, right? You can change the font if you'd like, okay? And you would do that by clicking on the fonts over here to the left. I actually like that font, but just to show you, you can change it to whatever available font is over here on the left. But I actually like that one. The YouTube, you can actually increase or decrease the size. There you go. You can change all of this information wherever you see the highlights, the highlighted rectangle. You can change all of that information. You can you can add elements to this. So let's say, I'm not a designer, you guys, but I'll show you. You can add like a YouTube logo. Here we go. Or maybe we should put it on top. Here we go. On top, maybe make it a little smaller. You can animate this logo by clicking on animate. And by animate, animate means movement. Okay, wherever you hear animate, it means movement. Okay, so they have a number of available animations here that you can use. Okay. Now, some banners are static, but I have seen video banners, which, is also available. And I'll show you that as well. Okay. You wouldn't need the animation, so you wouldn't need the movement if it's a static, just a picture banner. Okay. Because nobody would see it. It wouldn't show up. Okay. And that's the banner, right? Very easy, really. And if you want to, you could also put a picture of yourself here. You can insert a picture. And how would you do that? To insert one of your pictures, you would click on Uploads, click on Upload Files, and you can upload a file from Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive. And then, you would click on the image over here once you upload the files, to say this one. Okay. And then you could stick it wherever you want. Now, if you have the pro account, if you have a paid account, then you would be able to remove the background of your photo. So I'll show you that. You click on BG Remover, which means background remover. And as you can see, it's just remove the background. That was really fast, actually. See, it looks a lot better than having, all the regular background, the original background, and you can move it wherever you want. Okay. Now, when you're done with your banner, you would click on Share. You would click on Download. Canva gives you a PNG suggested file, and their suggested files for download is always right on the money for me. Awesome, no issues. So you can use that, and you just click on Download, and it will download on your computer. And then you can upload this image, this banner, on your YouTube channel. Now let me show you, because some people use a video for their banner. Okay, and I'll show you that right now. So what you would do is go to Designs, type in YouTube banner video, and a bunch of options come up. You just have to search for an option that is not for the paid account. Okay. If you don't have a paid account, that is. So you would click on your video option. And as you can see, there's movement, there's animation. So wherever you see, guys, this triangle, you see it, then you know that it's a video. Okay, once I click on it, you'll see that the time for the video is 6.3 seconds. Okay, so with this one, you can actually go to, if you want to add all the elements to this, or the moving parts, you can click on Elements. You can click on, whatever elements you want to use. And these elements now, once you add movement or animation to them, then they would show up in your banner image. It would show up in your banner image because there's movement, because this is actually a video and not a static picture. Once you're done with your YouTube banner, you can click Share, Download. And if you want the moving parts, you would have to change the PNG, right? Because a PNG file is just for the static picture. You would have to change that to like an MP4, which is a video. And you click Download, and then you'd be able to upload it on your YouTube channel. So that's it, you guys. That is how you create a banner for your YouTube channel using Canva. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.